In this section, we will talk about the student experience on the iPad. One of the main differences between the iPad experience and the Google Chrome experience is that polls and question and answers do not work on the iPad. It is important to note this because you will be able to see it on the teacher station, but when you push it out, the students will not be able to see that. The student view on the iPad is also different. One of the main differences is that the three-dot menu is found in the middle bottom next to the hang up, mute, camera off on, and hand raise features. When a student taps on it, that experience will be different as well. One thing you'll notice is that chat messages shows as in-call messages here. Screen share is found on this menu as well. Some things that are not available on the iPad app are backgrounds and change layout. Students do not have control over either of these on the iPad. Another difference on the iPad is how messages are received and sent. If a student receives a message on the iPad, it will show up in the lower left corner as a message bubble and will remain on the screen for approximately 5 seconds. If a student taps on that message or initiates a message on their own, the in-call messages screen will come up and occupy the vast majority of their iPad space. Anything going on behind there at this time, they will unlikely be able to see. In order to get them to close that out, they will have to tap the X in the upper left corner of that screen.